Welcome to another lesson from Machine Gun Kelly's new album Tickets to My Downfall. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Bloody Valentine. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the verse and chorus are made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a D major chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 7th fret. Next is an A major chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the G string. And then last is an F sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the riff that's playing throughout most of the song. So for this, you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string and pluck the G string. Then open B string. Then back to the 2nd fret of the G string. And it repeats. It sounds like this. Now the solo. This starts on the 7th fret of the D string. Then 6th fret G string twice. Then you do that 2 more times. Then 9th fret D string. 7th fret G string. 6th fret G string. 7th fret D string. Then you do that whole thing again. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. The bridge starts on an F sharp minor chord. So for this, you're going to bar the 9th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 11th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 11th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string. Next is an E major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 9th fret. Next is a D major chord, which we already learned. So you're just going to take the E major chord and move it down 2 frets. Then A major chord, which we also learned already. Then we're going to go to a B minor chord. So you're going to bar the 7th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 9th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string. Next is a C sharp minor chord. So you're going to bar the 4th fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 6th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 5th fret of the B string. Then we're going to go back to a D major chord, back to the E major chord, then an E sharp power chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 8th fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the G string. And then back to the F sharp minor chord to do the whole thing again. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Bloody Valentine. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.